Dear students, do you feel stuck in doubt and dilemma? What if you could find the right path to career clarity, gain your purpose, discover your passion, boost your confidence, acquire balance, become joyful? Well, all this is possible. Hello students, Namaskar. I am Vinita Vora with 28 years of working experience in schools in multiple boards, CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE and IB, and I have helped and guided thousands of students, and now it's your turn. I want to help you. Meet me in my webinar, No Investment, Just Your Time and Attention with Seriousness. Who knows, the trajectory of your life may change. Meet by clicking the button below. See you.